When we hear the buzzer sound 3 times, it means that the Transbot system has been successfully started. Open the VNC Viewer remote login software on your computer. Open the Wi-Fi settings interface of your computer. Find the Transbot Wi-Fi hotspot. And let your computer connect to this hotspot. The password is 12,345,678. In the login interface of the VNC software, enter the Transbot Wi-Fi hotspot login address 192.168.1.11. A login interface will appear on the system. Username, Pi. Password, Yarboom. Jetson version. Username, Jetson. Password, Yarboom. Click OK. At this point we have entered the remote desktop of Raspberry Pi 5. We need to input command Ctrl+C to close the app remote control process. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the upper right corner. Select Advanced Options. Select Edit Connections. Choose Wireless. Click Add a new connection. Choose Wireless. Click Create. Enter the Wi-Fi name you want to connect here. Enter the Wi-Fi name you want to connect in the SID column. Click Wireless Security. Choose WPA, WPA2, NPA3 Personal. Input Wi-Fi password. Back to General and modify priority. Click Save. We can see that our own Wi-Fi is already in the list. Close terminal. After restarting, Transbots will automatically connect to your own Wi-Fi network.